What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of SJ Squared Photography, bringing you back a review video today. Now, I'm going to actually do a review on the Selens light diffuser 5 foot by 6.5 foot light diffuser. I absolutely love this diffuser. It actually really came in handy, as you can see back here in the background. That's what the assistant is holding up. She's also the stylist, but she was also assisting on this day. And the model, Diana. Please go ahead. I'm going to leave the link up above. Go ahead and look at our review of our 70-200 versus the 300 Nikon millimeter lens. But anyway, in this particular instance right here, as you can see, we're in this little alleyway, and I absolutely wanted to shoot her where I wanted to because I like the door and the greenery around the way. So that's the reason why I chose this location. And the reason why I'm using a light diffuser because, as you can see, it's nothing but sun just blasting on the back of it. Now in this picture right here, one of the things you always have to watch out for is the outline. If you can see the outline behind there of the light diffuser, that's one of the things you really have to watch out for when you're working with a light diffuser at this size, or just really any light diffuser, is you got to watch out for the outlines that's going to be in your photos. Sometimes you can adjust it to get away with it, and sometimes you can't. As you can see, I went ahead and helped her adjust it. In this second picture coming up, you're going to be able to not see the outline as much. Once again, I absolutely love this picture. I am using a Tamron 24-70 G2 version because I wanted her in that landscape mode so I can really stretch her legs. She's a very tall model, about 5'10" or so. But right now I'm going ahead switching over to the Tamron 45 1.8, which is my absolutely favorite lens. I went ahead and decided to do this because I'm actually switching and going to portrait mode, shooting a bunch of portrait shots. But once again, the light diffuser, like I said, it's pretty tall. It's taller than my assistant. It's bigger than my assistant. It's back here helping me. So she actually had a really hard time doing it, of course, with the wind coming in, and she was just holding it by herself. But it's a great tool to have in your kit though. As you can see right here, you can see the outline on the outside once again. I kept the photos because I felt like it was a good expression of the model. And if I really didn't point out the outline, you probably wouldn't have even paid attention to it. But that's the reason why I kept these photos. But as you can see, I'm going through reviewing it and really trying to figure out. But once again, she is kind of struggling holding the light diffuser because it's windy. And like I said, it's the size of her. I did get this off Amazon.com. So if you want to get that, I'll leave the link down below. Once again, I had a pretty nice picture. I love the picture, love her expression. Reason why I get up right now, go ahead, and I'm now helping her adjust it so I can get the outline out of my photos a little bit better. Once again, it's just really tough when you're working with a diffuser that's bigger than the model. As you can see, it's kind of sitting on the ground. You can see her right there, right beside her. It's like really taller than her and bigger than hers. You got to really just take your time. But once again, this is a tool that everybody must have. It was nothing but sun beaming on her. This is the reason why I busted out my light diffuser, and we absolutely got these amazing photos. After I adjusted the light diffuser, as you can see, now once I come back into it, you will see I have the outline these next couple of pictures coming up. But yeah, for all photography, this is absolutely a must-have to have a light diffuser. I don't know how many stops this is. I think it's like a generic, maybe 1 or 2 stop light diffuser, but it's absolutely amazing. Once again, you cannot see no outline after we absolutely adjusted that one as well. Now, what I want to show you next is going to be the breakdown of it. It's absolutely really quick for it to break down. Just go ahead and check out the video how I'm breaking this down really quick and easy, and put it right back into the carrying bag that it comes with. Now, once again, I really hope you enjoy this little quick review video of the Selens light diffuser. Please go check it out. Also, like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy my content. And into the next video, into the next review video, or just next video period. Peace.